Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Kashif Kamran. We're looking into the AAA right directions for exams in September 22, and the focus is on the tip 14, knowledge topics. Now, apart from the core syllabus area of AAA, which focus on risk and procedures, evidence, reporting, other assignments, etc., there is a syllabus area in AAA which is known as knowledge topics. And if you look at the past papers, like 6 to 7 past papers, you will see a reflection of 6 to 8 marks or 8 to 10 marks maximum around knowledge testings. But again, that knowledge testing is not rote learning. That is to be adapted in the context of the case, but they are pretty simple topics to take marks on. Now, in terms of the knowledge topics and the regular knowledge topics, where examining team puts a lot of focus and examining team keeps repeating those topics in the exam settings. Let's see the list of those where you should be alert. Examiner focus a lot on money laundering stages and the auditor responsibility for money laundering. You should be familiar with that. Using the work of others, asking a question, explain the matters in using the work of an expert, or explain the matters in using the work of an internal auditor. You should be familiar with that perspective. Advantages and disadvantages of joint audit has come in recent exams as well, and in the prior exams as well. Auditor responsibilities for laws and regulations. If there is a non-compliance with laws and regulation in a scenario, what exactly the auditor should do? Fraud. What are auditor and management responsibilities for fraud? Who is responsible? Who is more? Who is less? You should be familiar with that. Opening balances. What are auditor responsibilities for opening balances, conducting a first-year audit, or where there is a change of auditor? So these are some critical knowledge areas where you should have a sound knowledge ahead of your upcoming exams in September, because these are the areas which are more repetitive if you look at recent exam settings, and you cannot take a risk. So be assured you are done with 1, 2, 3, 4 on your screen ahead of your exams. Wish you success. Take care. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.